In this video I want to show you how to register Battle Steed AI and get 400 reward. Go to Google Chrome and search Battle Steed AI and click Android APK and click download. Open files and install. Select your language. Click copy private key and save. And click next step. Create your password. Copy this code and input the code here. And click confirm. Input again here your private key and password. Click verify. And use invitation code to get rewards. Click binding. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching and God bless.